Hi, y'all. Good afternoon. This is Yvonne and Teresa. We are getting together. Why? Because we want to bring to the community some good tips and tricks on organizing our master closets. Teresa, help.
Hi. So yeah, master closets are our most popular requested item. And for good reason. Um, clothing is hard for a lot of people, especially when it comes to their own clothing. So and we understand that. Um, so with clothing, you just kind of want to take it, if you can't do it in one fell swoop, just take it category by category, like maybe do your shirts and then maybe try your pants the next day. But
Okay.
be honest with yourself. Um, try to keep it as, do I love this? Do I still like it? Do I want to wear it? Um, Ask yourself those serious questions. And if it's something you don't want to wear, you're not interested in, just put it in the donate bin or sell it. Um, you know, you won't miss them once they're gone. So it's just getting into the practice of, hey, I've got to let this item go. So um, I always encourage everybody to at least keep a donate bin in your closet or in your room somewhere so that whenever you just look at a shirt one day, you might say, hey, I don't even like this shirt, I don't want it. Well, great, your bin is right there, put it in there, and you know either, like I said, sell it or drop it off somewhere. But time blocks are always good in case, like I said, you can't do it in one sitting. And but do that with everything, your shoes, your purses, your sunglasses, your jewelry, whatever it is that you have in there. um and there's so many organizers out there for everything. Anything you look up, you'll find some kind of organizer, so take use of those. Use the shelves like in the top of your closet.
Yes.
Vertical space, if you have any extra wall space that you can hang stuff, that's good for big jewelry pieces. And um so,
Nice.
just use all the organizers you can if that's what a system that you need to be set up.
Teresa, you hit on something, nonprofits. I do know that in Midland, they have a particular nonprofit that you can donate your things to, because that's where my heart leads me, is to
Mhm.
go and send it to somebody else. One man's junk is another man's treasure. But there also is a place over there that you can take on a consignment.
Yes. Yes. There's Ray Lana's, and I know that they do like children's clothing mostly.
Okay.
And I know Dessa, we also have one just between friends, but there's also like women's shelters use that kind of stuff. And there's a couple of consignment stores I think that take adult clothing as well. Um, but there's so many different organizations out there, and that's where we try to take donations to most of the time, is somebody that can get use of it. So we use a lot of nonprofits as well.
Because they say gently used. Some of the things that
Right.
I look at in my closet, I haven't even taken the tags off. Really? You know what I'm
Mhm.
saying? So you're saying the top three things. I don't know if somebody can see this. Let me go back. Oh, I can't move that fast. I made like a little list for us, Teresa. Shirts, pants, shoes. Ask the question to yourself, are you ever going to wear this again? Be honest. Here's my biggest deal is when I'm ready to do it, somebody else isn't ready to do it. The kids aren't, the husband's not, whatever. I feel like you have to schedule time for that.
Mhm. Yeah. Sometimes what we do in my own house, especially like with my husband, since we share our closet, I have to make him make time. So I'll challenge him to, hey, I found 5 shirts that I don't need anymore. See if you can find 5, or if
That's
you can
cute.
find 6. We like to keep things challenging around here. So,
Yeah.
um, and sometimes I've even like just put all the shirts on the bed and said, okay, let's get rid of some, both of us at the same time. Let's do this right now to take us 15 minutes. And you just kind of find what works for you and you just kind of do it. And like I said, you just won't miss it when it's gone. So, and especially if you know it's going somewhere that somebody else can get use out of it. I think that that resonates with a lot of people's hearts.
I think so too, Teresa. Teresa, organizing is so important on 2024 of my list. And I feel like this Community Connect is just sharing that. If somebody's really busy, that they can hire you to do that. I look forward to you helping me organize my office a little bit. So definitely we'll be in touch. How would somebody get a hold of you?
All right. So they can reach me at Theresa, it's Theresa, at Simply Dandy Organizing, or on my website, simplydandyorganizing.com. You can also reach me on Facebook or Instagram under Simply Dandy Organizing and send me a message there. And they can always call me or text me at 432-363-5411.
Love it. Thank you, Teresa. We will talk to you
You.
soon. There's
All right.
several things we need to talk about. Take care.
Yes. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.